everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I want to thank you for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel. Anyway, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a 3-tier storage shelf. It is very like, I'm not exaggerating, like it was very easy to make and it was cheap, way cheaper than the one that I wanted at Mr. Price Home, and it was way much smaller and it was 699 rand. So I was like, hey, I'm not gonna spend that much money on something. Like, it's not bad, it's just that it was way too small. I think it's gonna work better in the bathroom than in the bedroom or any other place. Well, that's just my opinion, but I'll leave everything down in the description and tell you how much the materials cost and what I used. And yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, so I have these 4 rounded dowels that I'm gonna use as the legs for the shelf. I couldn't find the rectangular ones because there was no size similar to these ones that I bought, and they are 19 millimeters by 910 millimeters, so hopefully it's gonna work. Okay, so over here it's the photo frames that I'm gonna use as the shelves for the shelving thing. I don't know what to call it. I don't know, the decorative shelf storage thing. Yes, these are gonna be like the layers for that. And then the one underneath, I did it like last year as I used it as a display tray that I had on my side table. So let me show you in the sun how it looks. Ooh, all that glitter. Well, I used glitter masking tape that I got from Westpac. So yeah, if you want to do something like this, you can get it there. You just remove the backing and then you stick the tape on the wooden thing, not on the glass of the frame, and then you'll be good to go. But anyway, let me get to it. Okay, wait, before I start, I just wanted to show you guys that I also got screws to attach the frame to the wooden dowels, but in case it doesn't work, I'm gonna use this glue gun because hot glue gun is just as good as any other adhesive that could work with wood. So if it flops with the nails, I'm gonna use a glue gun. Okay, so you're going to take your frame and remove the packaging. After you have removed the packaging, you're going to take the back part of the frame and remove the flap. You can use anything like a knife to remove it safely, because if you do it with your hands, you're probably going to hurt yourself. You're going to lay your dowels on the floor, basically planning the layout of your shelf. This will depend on the amount of shelves that you have decided to use. After that, you are just going to leave a mark where you are going to drill the holes on the dowels. Okay, so for obvious reasons, I went outside to drill the dowels so that the dust from the dowels doesn't get all over the house. I used a 3mm drill bit and the screws are 3.5 so that when you screw into the dowels, it can grip properly. In case you get confused about measurements and which tools to use and which screw to use, you can always ask the workers at the hardware store. They are literally there to help you and they'll help you figure things out. Same with the frames, you are going to mark where you will be drilling the hole into the frame. When drilling the frame, make sure that you don't drill it all the way through, because if you do, the nail is gonna completely show on the other side and you do not want that. As you can see here, I'm showing you how it's supposed to look when you're done drilling. As you can see, the screws that I'm showing you right now are not the same as the ones that I showed you in the beginning. The ones in the beginning were 15 Rand, these were 40 Rand, and I bought them because my dad forced me to. Why? I do not know. They're all the same. You can literally just stick to the ones that I showed you in the beginning. Don't waste money. They all do the same job. When attaching your dowel to the frame, make sure that the drill holes align according to the points that you made with the marker, or else your shelf will not be rigid. You see how I flipped that dowel? It's because the holes were not aligning. So make sure that your dowel is not upside down and it's sitting the right way up. When you're done, you're just going to screw everything on tighter, and then your shelf will be done. So as you can see, I put stuff on the shelf. On the top tier, I got my vase, candles that I made in my previous video, my glasses, and my watches. And look at how that sparkles. That's why I put it on top. And then in the middle section, I got my makeup and, you know, the brushes. What's this? Lip gloss and all that stuff. And then down here I have my minifan, my straightener, and in there is my hairdryer. And I think it actually looks pretty awesome. Firstly, I want to tell you guys how proud I am of the item that I just made. It didn't even take that long to make. It literally took me like 3 hours, so it's not very time consuming. And also, the materials were very easy to find and very affordable. It definitely did not cost more than 350 rand, which is basically half of what I would have spent at Mr. Price Home. So anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment down below. This time my comments will definitely be on. I don't know what happened in the previous video. I probably clicked something by mistake. So yeah, see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and yeah, bye.